Good morning, everyone. So we're going to do a quick little experiment before I go off to work today because I have C4 Ultimate and it has some creatine in it, and since it does and I don't use it too often, it's getting like bunched, like it's binding together now. So I'm going to stick it in my little GNC blender bottle and see if I can't get it to get like more fine. Like there's nothing wrong with it. I took it the other day and it still works and everything. It's just I don't use it super often, so it's kind of getting clumped together. I don't want to kind of like get it dispersed and distributed throughout everywhere again. So we're going to do the experiment right now. So let's see. I'm going to try to pour it in here. I'm going to have to set you guys down for a sec, but let's see. See if I can get you guys to be stable. I mean, you're probably not in focus right now, so sorry, but I'm doing this off my phone. Just because it's going to be a real quick little vid here. But, and it kind of like starts, not getting sticky, but it does get stuck together. So we're going to just do this. Like, I have to like scrape it out of the bottom because like it's sitting at the bottom too, so. And it's going to smell like strawberry heaven with all this powder. Oops, made a little bit of a mess, but oh well. Alright, so it's empty now, so let's see. Put the lid on it real quick. Alright. Let's see, we're in a moment of truth here. Might have to set you guys down again so I can lock this in place. Okay. I'm semi in focus. Alright. Sorry, it's very bad camera quality angles here. Alright, let's see. I'm like, it looks like it's doing something. I think it's working, guys. I think it's working. Alright, so let me shake it up a little more. Sorry. Okay. I'm just going to take it off and shake it up and then put it back on. So, sorry, I don't know if you can see me shaking it, but I'm going to shake it on there. Alright, and then we're going to put it back on. Alright, let me pick you guys up again. Alright, so I think it's good, guys. I think I not reinvented it, but hold on, let me sit you down again and see what we got going on here. Alright, let's take it off. I'm gonna shake it all down. Let's see, I'll open it up and I'll show you guys inside real quick before I pour it back in. But, alright, let's see. Ah! So I don't see any actual like full clumps like I had earlier. I mean, there's a little clump stuck to that, but that was already there. So, I mean, it's looking pretty powdery like again, so I think I might ground it up a smidge more just because there's some pieces that are still a little stuck together, but for the most part, they all came undone, so. There's like a few little powder balls, but nothing we can't fix, apparently. So, hold on one sec. Okay, so I'm back. I grounded it up some more. It looks way better than it did when I first showed you guys, so we're just gonna pour it back into the container. And of course there'll be a few clumps in it. I mean, it's not gonna be perfect, but it's not as clumpy as it was when I first showed you guys how nasty it was. Well, I mean, it looked nasty. It didn't taste nasty. But yeah, if you guys are looking for a way to fix your powder, or you got some clumpy powder that you're like, oh, I don't know if I can handle this, get a blender. You can use a regular blender. This one's just a GNC little blender that they sell them for 20 bucks at GNC if you guys are interested. Just because I work there, so yeah. Yeah, my powder is way better looking, so if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up because I can do more videos like this. But alright. I guess that does it for this video.